are you guys doing? I wanted to come on real quick and wish you guys a happy fall. It is the first day of fall. If I'm sounding a little echoey, it is because I'm in my garage, so I do apologize for that. But I wanted to take a quick second and tell you guys some things you can do if you are feeling a little crafty or you are looking for good ideas to keep your kids busy. And it can also be used to help decorate your house. What I like to have is their crafts and their things that they make hanging around my house. So I love to find things I can do to kind of keep it a little creative for them and let them have fun, yet something I can still hang around in my house. My first thing I wanted to show you is I actually got this stuff a few years ago, and I got it in like a pack of, I want to say 13 maybe, and they came in the dollar store, from the dollar store, and it's these little foam things. How fun is this for a child to do when they are like a younger child? My kids love doing these. They have bats, which I believe I'm out of. But they have the skull, the pumpkin, and this cauldron. And how cute. I just let them use markers. I let them use glitter glue. I let them use sticker jewels, and I let them go to town. Googly eyes. I let them go to town, and they get to decorate this cute little piece of foam, and then we can hang it up in front of their desk for school, or we can hang it in their bedroom, and they get so excited just to be able to sit there. It keeps them busy, and I'm able to get other things done while they're doing that. And then they get super excited to show their dad or anybody else that they want to show. So I do highly recommend getting these if you can find them at the dollar store still. The next thing I do is, well, 2 years ago, 2019, I got these towels, and these towels were just dish towels from the Dollar Tree. And what I did is I wrote my kids' names on them and the date. And the theme I wanted to go with that year was leaves. And I had them do little handprints because I wanted to have like a little keepsake of their hand. So I had them do little handprints, and then I turned them into leaves. And that is all I'm gonna do with that craft. And I did it with my daughter's hand as well, and they have a lot of fun with it. My kids love to play with paint. They like to get messy. So this way I had them do that, and then I just put it in my house where we can see it all fall long. We take it down and we use it again for decoration next fall. So that one was really fun to do with them as well. And then last year, I like to stock up on canvases from the Dollar Tree. So I grabbed canvases from the Dollar Tree, and I had written what they wanted, which was have a happy fall. And then I let them go ahead and decorate. What they did with these is they found leaves around our home, and they decided that they were going to paint the leaf, and then you take the leaf and put it on the canvas, and so kind of like use it as like a stamp almost. And they had a lot of fun with that, and honestly, I'm okay with it. They're good with it. It was a good project. They had so much fun. Okay, so last year at the dollar store, I grabbed some fall fake leaves, and some had little pumpkins on it, some had little berry looking things on it, but I grabbed those and I just displayed them around in my house. Well, this year I decided to break them up and make myself a wreath. And as you can see, I would recommend the styrofoam wreath to do this one because this has these, the stems are made of metal, like they have like a metal insert. So we're easy to like wrap around and stuff if you can get it to do that. I could not. So what I did is I cut the stem to the length I wanted, and then I just kind of poked it inside of the foam. So that way it will stay, it's not gonna move, and it was quick, it was easy, and it took 0 time. So those are a few little tricks you can use to help spruce up your home for the fall season without going overboard or feeling overwhelmed. It's just quick little things. I do have other things we are going to be placing around because my kids love to decorate. However, that's not things I like crafted and stuff, so I'm not going to show them. But I wanted to show you a quick few little crafting ideas you could do with your kids and kind of have as like a keepsake. And the things I'm going to do with all their stuff that they make is my plan is to save it for them, and then when they move out and have their own home, they can then take their stuff with them that they have made throughout the years, and if they decide to keep them, that's awesome. If they decide they don't want to keep them anymore, that's fine. They can do what they want with them. It will be theirs. But for now, until they move out, I'm going to save them, and I'm going to keep reusing them every year, and I'm going to keep trying to get them to be creative and have fun making things, so that way my house is decorated with their stuff and they can have fun doing it and enjoy seeing it around the house. So that is all I wanted to show you guys today. I hope you guys have a great fall, and I will see you guys next time.